Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The Arteon Shoot and Brake R 2.0 TSI at a whopping 320 PS 4MOTION comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a Moonstone Grey finish and it looks remarkable. This sleek looking vehicle has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. You have these 19-inch Adelaide black diamond turned alloy wheels with the blue R calipers, creating a really head-turning look. An electric tailgate, you simply hold the button on the key and you can access this boot directly, a great addition to the vehicle if you have your hands filled. A long boot capacity, big enough to fit stuff like golf clubs inside there with ease, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, we'll touch on this soon, and you have your own electric controlled seats with the Nappa leather on there as well. An upgraded panoramic sunroof which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all travelling occasion, and due to the colossal size, everyone can reap the benefits of this. The multifunction steering wheel also uses DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display shows key information like your lap timer and your navigation alongside your driving data. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on that left hand side, you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travelling experiences. As you can see here, you have a wide array of different assist functions to choose from. As we go over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options and you can actually configure your driving modes directly through the steering wheel. Here you can see you have the 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, comforts for everyday travel, while sport and race offer a more performance-based drive. And going into individual, you can actually tweak the dynamic chassis control to get to that perfect suspension position. The area view is an upgraded option to the car, which does come in the Assistance Plus pack. It's area view and park assist you gain. You can actually flick between the different camera displays to choose which one you want. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As you can see, you can access this by pressing a button or simply popping the car into reverse. The heated seats offer an element of warmth and comfort with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and these are separately controlled so there's no arguments there, alongside the dual climate control which allows you to swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the heat and blowers, and you can synchronize this with a master switch. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.